The DXGI error device removed error in Kingdom Come. Deliverance II or other PC games usually happens when there is an issue with your graphics card or its drivers. This error generally means that the game is unable to communicate properly with your GPU, graphics processing unit, and that the device was unexpectedly removed or crashed. Here are several steps you can take to try to fix the issue. 1. Update graphics drivers. Outdated or corrupted GPU drivers are a common cause of the DXGI error device removed error. NVIDIA. Go to the NVIDIA website and download the latest drivers for your graphics card. AMD. Visit the AMD website to get the latest drivers for your GPU. Intel. If you have an Intel GPU, check their official support page. You can also use software like GeForce Experience, NVIDIA, or AMD Radeon software to automatically detect and install the latest driver updates. 2. Check for overheating. If your graphics card or CPU is overheating, it can cause the game to crash or lead to the DXGI error device removed error. Check your GPU and CPU temperatures using a tool like HW Monitor or MSI Afterburner to see if they're running too hot during gameplay. If temperatures are too high, generally above 85 to 90 degrees Celsius, you may need to clean your system or improve your cooling setup, fans, thermal paste, etc. 3. Reinstall DirectX. Corrupt or outdated DirectX files can also trigger this error. To reinstall DirectX, download the latest version of DirectX from the official Microsoft website. Install the latest version and restart your PC. 4. Lower graphics settings. Sometimes overly demanding graphics settings can strain the GPU and cause crashes. Try lowering the in-game graphics settings such as resolution texture quality, anti-aliasing. This can reduce the load on your GPU, helping it run more smoothly and preventing the device from being removed. 5. Try windowed or borderless mode. If you're playing the game in full screen mode, try switching to windowed or borderless windowed mode to see if that resolves the issue. You can change this in the game's video settings or configuration files. 6. Reinstall the game. As a last resort, if none of the above works, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling Kingdom Come Deliverance II. This can help fix any corrupted game files causing the error.